Hello everyone, my name is Pratik and I'll be talking about MCP. Some of the guys before me, I won't be doing a demo, rather I will be giving a introductory talk about MCP. So I heard that a couple of guys mentioned about MCP. So how many of you guys are using MCP or know about it? Alright, come on. Cool. So I've been hearing a lot about MCP on social media, especially LinkedIn, right? That MCP is the next big thing and whatnot. But it's been around for a few months. So what changed? Like why so many people are talking about MCP right now? So main thing, according to me, what changed was adoption. That so many people are using MCP through Cursor or Plot Desktop or any other, mostly AI IDEs, right? So we will talk about what MCP is, and then we will have a short demo. Okay, so like in a nutshell, MCP is a open protocol to connect your LLMs with external data sources or APIs. So why we need a context loop? Like your LLMs are very constricted to the data is trained on. So if, like after the cutoff date, you won't have access to any external data. So MCP solves that by providing a protocol and a bridge between the data sources or APIs to LLM. So think of it like a USB-C, which connects your dongle to a printer, right? So let me give you a architecture. So just like this, your data sources or your external APIs services are your USB-C. MCP acts as a bridge between your LLMs, and on the other hand, we have MCP host, which can be different applications like Plot Desktop, Cursor, or Windows, and MCP clients connects it with like one-to-one connections between MCP server and MCP host. Is there any questions regarding this? So why is it different from any API wrapper we have seen before? According to me, API requires different integration for each integration, right? But in this age where we have LLM, we want to integrate every tool we can imagine, and we don't want to repeat the process all over again for each tool. So, like Composer has been working on this, like they have 250 plus integrations. But again, like if I want to integrate something which is not in the Composer, how do I do that? So MCP comes to picture in this. Think of it like different APIs and services have their own tool, like different keys for each tool. So what MCP does, like, it gives you that universal key for all services. So you can just use that key, do your work, and that's it. So what's a quick, let's have a quick comparison between MCP and API. So integration time, of course, and for API you have to do the same process all over again, but in MCP you can just create one MCP server and that's it. Real-time communication. So this MCP happens, like MCP works on application layer. So any user can install or change that whatever tools they want to add or remove. And dynamic discovery, that's something really important to me because you don't know which tool you want to use, or like you don't want to instruct LLM to which tool to use in which condition. For example, if I just tell my LLM, for example, I want to tell it, okay, book a calendar event for me with like 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, something like that. So it should open up the calendar application on my phone and say, okay, this is the time and this is the task. Okay. So in this with MCP, you can just give the tool calendar, email, and everything, and it will just find the right tool for the job. Alright, so let's have a demo. So this is not a any Cloudflare didn't pay me to create this demo, but I love this package, that's why I'll be using it for demo. So Cloudflare has this package on fix for the workers. I will just use the Hello World application for this. I'll use that state. I hope it won't take forever to install. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going. Let's just use get. Not. We won't deploy it right now. So this is a very. They just created a worker and boilerplate code. So we'll just change whatever the deployment script is. First, we will install WordPress MCP package. Okay, so yeah, good. Alright, and we'll set it up. So the example code does not have the deployment script and all. So we'll change the deployment script. Then alright. So they are changing the endpoint and which function they were using. So here we are just creating a hello world application like something like that. So hello from an MCP worker and whatever name we give. So I want to change that. Yes. Alright. So they directly provide an integration to Cloud Desktop. So I am just going to use my name worker. Okay. And if like Cloud Desktop will already have integration with this. So if I want to use this with, for example, right now I'm using group line. So if I want to add this, I can just go here. Copy this and I will just add it here. I already set it up one that comes with worker demo. This we want to create conflict. So if I go to reply and I say hello to Abraham, it should identify that I want to say hello. So it should invoke that MCP. Now it identified that the name is Abraham. Okay, I will approve this action. Sorry, it's Abraham. My bad. Cool. Alright, so it says I got a response that hello from MCP workers. Yeah, that was that. Yeah, so if you want to learn more about MCP, please go ahead. If you want to get connected with on LinkedIn, scan this code. Yeah, that's all for that. Thank you, everyone.